Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. If you want, guys, more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys. So that will answer your doubts or confusions that you have, Capricorn. So you can stay tuned for that. So that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. So it's Four of Fire, Star, and Fool. So Capricorn, in your situation today, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you have a great inspiration in your heart. Something is pointing you towards the right things today, and you have your intuition working for you, and you have great hope and faith in your future, the way things are unfolding for you, and you are really cheerful, enthusiastic, feeling really confident and ready to take on any situation today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are rushing into some decisions, maybe, and though your choices seem impractical, you want to make it work. You are making the efforts for those decisions that you have taken, and you are ready to risk anything to make it true, make your dreams and aspirations true, and you are making efforts in your work situation, or it may be in this relationship. You are working, making efforts to build a beautiful relationship with this person, and this is the time of building a strong foundation, guys. So maybe in your work, whatever needs to be done to make your work reach success, you are doing that. You are working with people, you have friends or colleagues helping you, and you simply enjoy working with them today, guys. And maybe that sense of teamwork or community spirit is what is grabbing you today, and you love to work with people, and you all have a common dream or goal, Capricorn. And this is the time magic is unfolding in your life. So whatever you have taken up, some projects or assignments in your work situation, or maybe even in this relationship, this love, you simply feel overwhelmed with inspiration, and you are moving forward positively in this relationship, guys. You are working towards a deep, meaningful connection, and you both share a huge respect, love, and caring for each other, guys, in this connection. So let's see what is the card for your Two of Fire. So looks like you are in for a long time with this person. So you have a beautiful connection, and you love each other deeply, guys, and you are planning your future together. So you are having dreams for your future together, and maybe some of you are even planning a wedding or engagement with this person. So things are going in a positive way for you all, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Sorry, guys, we have High Priestess. So again, whatever needs to be done to move towards a positive potential outcome, that is what is happening today, and you have a clear knowledge and clarity regarding the choices you need to make today in your career situation, guys. And that is the reason you are moving towards success in your personal life and in your career situation, Capricorn. So, times are good, Capricorn. Positive changes and positive things are what I see for y'all, guys. So, that is the reading for y'all today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for that pick a card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards and 2 crystals. So you can either choose the cards or the crystals, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. So you can think about your situation or the questions you have in your mind. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card so that way the reading may resonate. So let's close our eyes and meditate, and I will start the reading after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for y'all. For those who chose this card, we have Spirit Quartz. So with this card, guys, it just means that you need to reach out and connect with the people around you and discover the true power of gifts by sharing with the people you love, and willingness to put everyone's welfare ahead of our own small self for now, guys. So with this card, it just means that by the way you are connecting with the person in this romantic love, you are showing the universe that you are deeply moved by this love and you are ready for a healthy romantic partnership today. And there are different ways love is approaching you today, guys. And with this abundance of love, you are moving towards the power to heal yourself and you are changing your vibration. So with love in your heart, you are changing positively and your vibration is very positive today. And when we have positivity in our life, guys, it is going to attract more positive things for us. So that is the energy with this card. So when we are open to love, maybe for some of you, you are getting someone interesting, someone is coming towards you to propose to you, they are interested in you, and it is time you give up the expectations. Maybe you have certain dreams about someone and you are expecting people to match those dreams, but what is reaching you may be something not up to your dreams, but it may be something even much more better for you guys, this person. So that is the energy with this card. So you just have to give up the expectation you have today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, forgiveness. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today we are moving towards that healing energy. So maybe in our situation, we would have done something we regret. We would have hurt someone, maybe. Or we are holding grudges or want to take revenge on someone. But this cycle of anger, resentment is not going to take us anywhere, guys. It is simply going to trap us. And by forgiving others, forgiving the person who has wronged us, we are just benefiting ourselves. So it allows us to heal and releases us from this cycle of blame. So, forgiving does not mean that you need to forget what has been done. It just means that it allows both parties to move on positively with their lives. And forgiveness does not depend on you and the other person forgiving simultaneously, guys. So, the sooner you forgive, it is good for you, and the sooner you accept forgiveness from that other person, it is going to be good for you, and you are going to heal much more faster, and you are going to see a change, a positive change in your situation, and you will simply heal from the painful memories that you had, and those memories are just going to vanish once you forgive this person, and you will be able to move on positively, have a brighter future, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.